What's up guys, welcome to Indian FIA. In this video, we are going to make the Indian flatbread, which is also known as roti, chapati or fulka. I will start with making a dough which is made using the whole wheat flour. Later I will show you how to make a fluffy roti and I will give you some tips and tricks just to make this process really easy for you. So watch this video till the end and comment down below if you have any questions. I will start with 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Here in Canada, there are 2 major popular whole wheat brands which you can see on your screen and you can go with either of these. You can also comment the famous whole wheat brands from your country so that others can know which one to pick in their specific location. Now the most important part while making this dough is you have to use small quantities of water. Do not overflood your whole wheat flour with large amounts of water, otherwise you won't be able to adjust the consistency of this dough. The goal here is to keep it enough soft so that it can be pressed just like this. But be careful, don't make it too soft or you might have a hard time while making the roti. Now add some oil to remove the stickiness from this dough. You have to let this dough rest for at least 20 minutes and you can also make large quantities of dough which you can store in refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. In order to make the rotis, you will need the rolling pin along with the rolling board. You can see I have 2 different types of rolling pins here, but you can go with either of these. You will also need some whole wheat flour for the dusting purposes. Next, you will need a flat pan for your rotis, and here is an optional utensil which can take your rotis to a whole new level, and this utensil is wire rack, or it's also known as roti fluffer. This wire rack is optional but it's highly preferred and it will help you making your rotis even quicker. Now let's adjust the heat levels for our flat pan. It should be somewhere around medium to high heat, and this heat level is very important. If your heat is too high, your rotis may start sticking to the flat pan, but if your heat level is too low, you will have a hard time in that case as well. And for the steel rack, your heat level should be at the max. You have to gently roll your rotis and do not care too much about the shape, especially if you have just started. Just try to keep it thin and equal from all sides. Do not flip until your roti change its color to brown. Once both your sides are enough cooked, move your roti to the steel rack. And here it is guys, my roti is ready to be enjoyed. This butter is optional, but it will keep your rotis soft and taste even better. In the same manner, you can make more rotis. If you don't have a steel rack, you can use a piece of cloth. And press your roti just like this. You just have to be sure your roti is well cooked from all the sides. And you can enjoy these rotis with any of the curry.